see you all soon.
We had a super sellout concert last night and super atmosphere, really happy.
It was amazing. Last night was absolutely insane. It's only our second show now.
Arrived straight to rehearsal where we did our first concert last night, so long no sleep for a couple of days, but it was all worth it. Kicked it off and very happy with things so far.
First show done, up 17, very good.
Yeah, last night was really good at dancing together for the first show, so it was really exciting and a lot of fun.
Can't wait tonight, you know the theatre's amazing, so.
It was really nice last night just to feel the energy from the crowd. Like when you stood on stage, you can their energy, you really reciprocate it, and it makes the job so much easier when you're on stage. It's amazing.
Finished in the Theatre de Pomerine in Pomerand, and amazing standing ovation. So yeah, very happy. Giving them an Irish Christmas Celtic Steps style. So thank you to the people that have come here tonight and last night. Was absolutely amazing reception. The energy was just really amazing, so thank you very much.